Former President Jacob Zuma will be back in court on the 8th of June. He appeared in the Durban High Court yesterday on 16 charges, including fraud, money laundering and racketeering. Both the prosecution and the defense requested more time to allow Zuma's legal team to bring a review application against the decision of the National Prosecuting Authority to reinstate the charges against him.
South Africa's former president in the dock. Exactly 9 years after then acting NDPP Mokotedi Mshe announced that it was neither possible nor desirable for the NPA to continue with the prosecution. He appeared together with his co-accused, a representative of Thales South Africa. The defense placed on record its intention to review the decision to reinstate the criminal charges. Court proceedings were brief. Advocate Billy Downer, appearing for the state, said they could be ready to start the trial on the 12th of November, but agreed to an adjournment.
Firstly, by agreement between the state and our learned friends for accused numbers 1 and 2, we will ask your lordship to postpone this matter to the 8th of June as the next provisional date, pending the matters which I will now inform your lordship about. The purpose of the adjournment is twofold in principle. Firstly, in respect of accused number 1, Mr. Zuma, we've been informed by our learned friends for Mr. Zuma that he wishes to bring a review application concerning the decision to prosecute him again. And in that respect, we've been informed, and after discussions between us, that they hope to finalize the review papers by the middle of May, by the 15th of May. There's also been mentioned that there might, depending on the nature of depending on the result, there might be further applications for permanent stay, etc. Those issues are not being addressed now.
Downer also brought to the attention of the judge an earlier High Court application by the SA Natives Forum for a permanent stay of prosecution.
The respondents in that matter are various parties, including the NPA and the NDPP, and that seeks to interfere with the further conduct of this trial before your lordship now. In this, the attitude of the parties in this court, and that includes, I think, my learned friends also, is that that matter has no bearing on the proceedings currently before your lordship. The NPA and the NDPP are opposing that matter.
Zuma's legal team confirmed that they would challenge the legitimacy of the prosecution.
And then, my lord, the reference to trial and the 12th of November that was suggested, my lord, that is really a matter which will have to be discussed on the next occasion. So for now, we just record that we're not agreeing to any subsequent enrollment until we hear on the 8th of June when the matter is reassessed.
Accused number 2, Thales South Africa, indicated that it wished to make representations to the DPP. The company appointed Christine Gourier as its representative. She resides in France and will attend court appearances as required. Both accused were released on a warning. Blaine Herman, SABC News, Durban High Court.